Hello editors, need high quality car footage for your next edit? I will got you covered. I am dropping these ultra crispy 4K vertical clips of this BMW M3 completely free for you to practice, top up or use in your reels. Grab the raw files in the description and tag me so I can see your edits. Now enjoy the clips.